If you have thyroid problem or if you want to increase white blood cell, definitely you have to watch until ending. And then I'm going to make ceviche. Ceviche means kind of raw fish curing on citrus juice. For this recipe, I'm using saddle-tail snapper. This fish have high in selenium, high in B12, easy for digestion, have healthy fat. That's why people love this fish. And then especially in Australia, it is caught on Queensland, Northern Territory or Western Australia. It is kind of tropical spice. This recipe is popular on Latin America as well as popular in Peru. But if you really have problem for thyroid health, you have to go and see the doctor. And as a method of recipe, I coat fish on the equal half as you see, layer on the plate. For the dressing, I make the dressing from orange and lemon juice. Finish with salt, pepper, olive oil. Layer all dressings on the top of the fish. On the top of dressing, I layer with turnip. It's good for health, easy for digestion. And then finish with black caviars. On the side of the ceviche, I want to give sliced fennel as well as lovely cherry tomato. Dressing with same thing, olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon. Layer sliced fennel underneath cherry tomato, so it looks better on the plate. That's why I'm doing this. And then finish with sour cream at last. So you can see you have lots of benefit on this food, and then especially I'm focusing on thyroid health. So thanks for watching. I'll come with next video in next episode.